Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this simple rose pattern in your iPad. So for this I'm just using Design Doodler app, so you can download this from your app store in your iPad. So first I'm just going to insert the picture, and then I'm just going to reduce the opacity of this image and just going to start off from the outer edge. So you can have the opacity like 50% so that you can see what is behind. Now I'm just going to choose a darker color for my outside and then a lighter shade for the inside work. So choosing the colors is completely your choice based on your mission. You can there are a lot of thread options available. You can choose the color of your choice and you can start the project. So I'm just using the fill tool here to fill in the space. So I have just used only one tool for this particular tutorial. So since it is a beginner friendly and to start off, I'm using just the fill tool to fill the entire pattern, starting off with the outer portion. So I'm just drawing the outline, and as you can see it is automatically filling in the space. So once this is done, then you're going to jump into your properties, and then you can adjust the stitch length and density later on. So as of now you can simply draw the outlines. So once you are satisfied, make sure you fill the pattern in small areas, not in a larger portion. So once the outer portion is done, now we are going to switch into the inner portion. For this I'm just taking some lighter color. So the color choice is completely yours, and at the end of the project we will be simply deleting the base picture, so you need not worry about it. Same way, repeat the process. Just draw the outline in small portions so that you fill in the area. So while using the fill tool, make sure you fill the space with even amount of stitch length and density so that the output will look good. So once you're satisfied with this, you can simply download it into a DST file and start embroidering in your machine. So this is as simple as drawing on paper and pencil. So you should definitely try out this particular app on your iPad. So now I'm just going to make a small change in this color since the center portion is really light. And for the pattern fill, I'm just choosing smooth, and I'm just increasing the density to 2.4 2.5. That is completely up to your choice. Here I have used the density to 2.5, and I'm not changing any stitch angle here. I'm just keeping it as such. So now we are just changing the color of the center portion alone. So once this is done, you can just fix in your start and end point so that you will see how the pattern runs through in your machine. So this is how it will look. So I'm just done with the filling portion. Now we are just going to arrange the overall density. So I'm just selecting the entire image, and the density final here will be 2.2 to 2.5 will be the ideal density, and stitch length will be 2.5 to 3. Again, that is an ideal stitch length to use for your machine embroidery. And always make sure the traveling route is from edge, travel on edge. And in your comment, make sure that the end comment is trimmed so that you don't have any excess seam in your project. So this is how it will look. Now you can just simply click on the slow draw to see how the pattern will fill in your machine. So once you're satisfied, you can just simply download it into a DST file and then start your project in your machine embroidery. So we have used two colors. So likewise, while you work on your machine, you can choose the color of your choice. You can choose multiple colors as per your project, and then you can simply download it and you can start working. So this is how I made this particular rose. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and stay tuned.